We've been researching synthetic turf for probably over 10 years now, and SYNLawn is 100% the go-to. And so we finally pulled the trigger and we could not be happier. The most exciting thing about the whole install process was one, being out there with them and watching the guys do the magic of pulling up our grass and saying goodbye to all of our problems. And the installation process was one, really fast, and two, they were so good. The guys were exceptional.
It actually has like a cooling technology, having it soft and stay a little cooler, especially where we live, where it does get really hot. Those were important factors for us.
Because we have done that test with other turfs. We put them out in our driveway and we tried to gauge them on which ones were the hottest, and some of them were unbearably hot that you couldn't even step on. Being in California, we don't have a lot of water, so it's great that it also helps save on water, and it's always green. It never turns brown. I wish we did this 10 years ago.